Does your chief lost the company seal? Do you need to reproduce it by imprint urgently? Start Kit for Professional Rubber Stamps Production GRM StampMaker Mini will help you to make a seal quickly and without unnecessary costs. In addition to the printing kit, you will need a smartphone, a Wi-Fi laser printer, and potential of the GRM Design Center. To get started, you will need a computer layout. To get it, send a photo of your stamp imprint to the GRM Design Center via WhatsApp. We get a ready layout in a PDF format. It's an invert print. Open the layout in the Adobe Reader and send it to the laser printer via Wi-Fi. We print on matte laser film in A6 format. For blacken the laser toner, improve the image with a special felt tip pen. GRM StampMaker Toner Pen is a new patented product, our joint development with foreign partners. It increases the optical density of laser printed toner by 3 times. The active substance is water-based, fire explosion safe, without acrid smell of acetone, recommended for office or home use. Place the film with the layout in a glass frame. From above, impose transparent sachet GRM StampMaker with photopolymer. Fix the frame with clamps. According to the instructions, put the photopolymer under UV rays and light twice. The GRM LED lamp is a miniature exposure camera powered by micro USB. It is novelty in rubber stamps production from photopolymer.
Вторая засветка.
Cut the tape and remove the protective film.
Удаляем защитную пленку. Промываем засвеченную пластину в воде с помощью щетки или ультразвуковой мойки.
We conduct a third illumination in water with a reagent to remove stickiness. Cut out the finished cliché. Paste the cliché on hand stamp or self-inking stamp. The corporate seal is ready. Your chief will be satisfied. Save the negative print into the archive. If necessary, the stamp can be easily reproduced.